Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jun Kombucha. Jun Kombucha is a delightful fermented tea, distinct from traditional kombucha because it uses green tea and honey. It's known for its lighter, smoother flavor profile. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final bottling, ensuring you can brew this effervescent drink successfully at home. Get ready to enjoy a refreshing and healthy beverage. To begin your Jun Kombucha journey, you'll need a few key items. First, gather your ingredients: quality green tea, raw honey, and a healthy Jun SCOBY with some starter liquid. For equipment, a 1-gallon glass jar is ideal, along with a breathable cloth cover and a rubber band. Remember, cleanliness is crucial, so sanitize everything thoroughly before you start. Now, let's start the first fermentation. Brew 1 liter of strong green tea, then stir in 1/2 cup of raw honey until it's fully dissolved. Allow this sweet tea mixture to cool completely to room temperature. Once cool, gently transfer it to your clean 1-gallon jar. Add your Jun SCOBY and 1 cup of starter liquid. Cover it and let it ferment for 5 to 7 days. After the initial fermentation, it's time for the exciting second ferment and flavoring. Carefully remove your SCOBY and set aside 1 cup of starter liquid for your next batch. Now, you can add your favorite flavorings, like fresh fruit, herbs, or spices, directly to the remaining Jun Kombucha. Bottle your flavored brew, leaving some headspace, and let it ferment for an additional 1 to 3 days to build carbonation. Enjoy your homemade Jun.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.